Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna play some Roblox. And you guys on my next video are gonna tell me which game to play. Yes, I have a lot of games here. You can pick any game, but please do not pick this one. Please do not pick Grow a Garden. If you pick Grow a Garden, I'll literally play the opposite of it. Plants vs. Brainrot. So yeah, today we're gonna be playing 5 different games. Brainrot Evolution, the 6-7 Evolution, Craft a Brainrot, and 99 Nights in the Forest. Let's start with Brainrot Evolution. This might take a while, so yeah. Wake me up when it's done. Oh. Mikey, what? The giftini mana nini yaman? Get out of my way. Kiki Coco? Oh yeah, by the way, I'm number 1 on the leaderboard. Don't ask too many questions. How? I've been grinding the game for about look at my stats on this. I have the I2 Perfectini. My health is 97.44 sectillion and my damage is 383.26 UT. Speed 29. Time played is 6 days, 8 hours, 23 minutes. Yeah, now look at my trinkets. Look at my trinkets. I got this from the last event. The thankful event, the prestige leaf from Larila Deserts, Ntsikelelo Mania, the snow trinket, and this is in, what is it in again? Sometimes I forget. It's in Undindin Limpus, and you know these two. But if you don't play Brainrot Evolution, so this comes from the nuclear core, and this from the Ntsikelelo Ocean, and Goat Galaxy, and from the trinket and the snow trinket you can get from the daily streak reward. Guys, this is really hard. I literally have secrets. 2 of my secrets. Oh guys, look, just to show you, I don't even have, look at my secrets. I literally have the ginger. I literally have all the Christmas secrets. But I don't even literally have the what is this called? The oh my god. I think it's called, oh, there's a noob in the game. Let's go help them. I'm the most kindest player in Bro skipped a world and a rebirth. Hello? Look, he skipped a rebirth. He's level 21, but he has 2 rebirths. And guys, look, this is the Brainrot you need 2 rebirths. This is what you need. Gonna turn off auto attack really soon. TikTok. Ambalabu. I think he has cancer or something like that. I'm gonna. The statues in this game actually float. Leave it alone. And this is the. Whoa! Did you saw them, my pets. Sin, you know what? Nah. Okay, now trades, no. People actually like to trade with me. Los orcalitos dicen orcala. Oh, there's a level 1. Oh, but don't trouble. No, I need to help the level 1. Oh yes, it glitched out. Los orcalitos dicen orcala. Los orcalitos dicen orcala. Bri, picus, dicus, bucus, badik, boneca, ambalab. This is the Brainrot. What? I thought it was max. I thought it was the top on leaderboard. People are pay to win, bro. People pay to win. Oh, level 7? Wait, let me help them. Yo, bro. Let me help ya. Let me help them. Let me show them like a really weak secret. Ballerina lol. Don't be offended that this is the weakest secret. It's literally the fastest secret. Ah, man. I literally missed the burr part of him. Yes. Whoa. That was sus. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Sus. That's pretty weird. Whoa. We can. Whoa. I'm so fast that I can even climb the mountains. Guys, don't ask me why I don't even have this. Look. See. Bank account 0. Money 0. Okay, let's go back to coach. Since this is gonna take a while, let's just watch some videos. Oh, nah. Never. Los antiritos dicen cantidad. What do we watch today? Oh, guys, don't ask me why I not even fighting this guy.
Pop, sahur.
Okay, let's see if it's actually better. Let's use a ginger.
Ginger sahur.
What did I do to you? Who did that? You know what? Let's just go to a private server. Keeping you inside, keeping you obsessed all team up. Put a thing in your head. Anytime it hurts, playing at the verse. I can be your sanctuary. No, I'm the only one. I'll love you more when it all bursts down. Power, more than gold. Yeah, you gave me your heart. Yeah, for your soul, I'm the only one who loves just the old. For the way my voice gets underneath your skin. There you go. Pretty to the choir. Better get the mic a little higher. Give me your desire. I can be the star you rely on. One in a chain you can't look away. Don't you the one to save you? Not the one you want. Yeah, I know you need my big dog. I do. See on the fame cause of what you I'm your idol. Thank you for the pain cause you got me going viral. Oh yeah, not your young fever. That was really fire music. Instead of actually fighting people, let's actually go out of the world. Wait, yep.
Today, I'm gonna try to escape from every world in Brainrot Evolution and see
Let's
what's
turn
really
into-
beyond their limits. I'll get to witness things that no player should ever see. Let's go! As you can see, I'm not just hanging out in the spaghetti toilet for no reason. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend any of you try these spaghetti.
No, what did I do to you, bro?
Straight into the toilet world. Literally, guys, our developers decided to add a toilet. Alright, that's kind of weird. And now we gotta step outside of this world and figure out what was going on in the developers' heads. Oh, I mean, what they're hiding beyond this world. Okay, guys, getting out isn't that easy. Hey, everyone. Yeah, this little potato mouse is me. Yup, guys, I'm Pippin Potato. And
Pippin.
I've got a plan.
Who's Pippin?
How to break out of this
I
new
only
world.
know
Look, we gotta
Pippin.
find that huge boss. Just be careful, or he might eat you. We found him, and we're
Pippin
going behind
Potato.
him. Right over here, guys. We're standing in the
Guys,
corner. We can already
how
see a
can
bit of
I
those,
even climb this?
black textures. You see them? All right, guys. You can't see anything except my feet. So at this moment, I'm jumping into Brainrot and picking Godzilla. Come on, guys. Check this out.
Yes, I made it on top, kinda. Bananaconda.
There's no point in stepping over there because we'll just fall straight into Valhalla. On this
No,
side,
no.
guys, there's just a wall, and we can't go
Guys,
anywhere. Okay,
what's
we can
wrong?
try to go to
Thank
the
you.
other side. And under this map, guys, look at that. Do you see it? For some reason,
Guys,
there's no
let's
floor
try
down
to
there.
take out
Take
these
a good
tiny
look at all this
stores.
later. This
Guys,
place
don't
is really
even try
strange. Look at that huge
drinking my
screen in the
drink.
back and just-
Hey, I said no! I said no! Don't you even
Okay, guys,
think
that didn't go well.
about it.
No worries, we're not giving up. Let's pick our Godzilla and drop down to the very bottom. What's happening, guys? Everything is going completely off plan now. Gotta be
I said don't drink my milkshake!
And on the other side, we've got.
You guys
what are
will
those?
regret.
Restrooms? Seriously? Look at that. They're just sticking out. And what's
You
on
know
this
what?
side?
I'm gonna
Whoa.
use the...
On this side, guys, there's just a regular
Get the
portal.
back, but the...
Oh my gosh. Do we know what's behind it now? And look at that. We're in some huge, giant, dark
It literally-
cave. It's kind of depressing. And
What
I'm really
the-
scared to walk around here so I don't fall
Daddy,
again.
it's not
Oh,
raining,
man,
but
guys, you saw what's
that
over
might
there, right?
answer.
I hope it was worth it. Meanwhile, we keep
Bambo
moving
clap,
forward. Oh my gosh.
Guys,
I feel like that thing could
my
crush me
goal
with just
is
one
to
press.
destroy these
So guys,
tiny
we're
stars.
continuing to escape from
What?
worlds. And for that, we gotta
Bambo
find an
clap,
exit somewhere in
crococlap.
this world. Even
Bro,
if I knew where it was in the
thank
last
ya.
world, I have no clue where it is here. Let's say we stick to our strategy. So we'll stand
Think this
behind one
OP?
tiny model
Nah,
somewhere,
look how
like
buns
right
it
here.
is.
You know, just like this in the corner, yeah? As close as I could hug you all. And we gotta transform
You
into the
see
biggest
how
brain
buns it
rot
is? It's literally at the very bottom.
No! Oh my gosh! What's happening? Did you see that?
I'll literally even
Oh,
take the
wait, I
dog
see
pet
what's
that
outside,
does
but we're
1
not there
damage.
yet. Oh no,
I'll literally
guys.
take...
All right,
I'm too
out.
big,
Keep
man.
Exploring everywhere. I feel like there has to be a way to get through there somewhere. How about that restaurant? Maybe I can get in through the door or the window.
Man.
Guys, let's say we stand right here and let's turn into our
Let's
giant
turn it to
form.
someone...
Oh no, guys! But there has
It's
to
on the
be an
macchina.
exit somewhere around here. What if I go under the chair? Maybe it'll push me through. Okay,
Bro,
guys, transform me
literally-
now. Oh no! Useless! Guys, please don't forget to like this video. Then I'll definitely show you what's behind each of the worlds today. I feel like the exit has to be right here somewhere. Let's say if we stand right here in the
What?
corner. Yeah, this huge pot is in the
Yeah.
way, and maybe it can push us out. We're turning into
Let's
Godzilla.
snap it.
Oh my god.
Hey, Elephants are bigger than the Rificos.
Unfortunately, We just fell
I'm
out of
gonna
the
slap
world,
you with
but
my
there's good
tail.
news.
Pow!
So we just
Hey,
need to
you do not
transform
feel no
somewhere else
damage?
a little bit differently here.
Take
Oh,
this.
guys, I transformed again and fell out of the world.
Hey, lost to
Oh my
me.
gosh, guys, I keep falling. I think we're using too big of a guy. We need a big guy, but not that huge. Let's say we transform here, and let's turn into
Hey.
a big
Elephant.
All right, guys, we need to get in here and let's try
I
transforming
don't
into someone
kill
else.
me.
Come
I'm
on, guys, let's try going in
friendly.
from the other side.
Boy, if you dare try to
Strawberry
kill me,
Guys, we're just falling out
Bro,
again.
you're trying to
There
kill
was
me?
a way to get out, but apparently the admin removed that feature because they made the floor around the map completely fall through. So guys, it's really
Elefantino
impossible to do
frigorifero.
that for now. But what awaits us in the next world? Look, guys, we're in
Guys.
this world right now, and we need to find a way out of it.
Hey,
I feel like
get
the only
out of
way is
here.
through these
Let me
huge
use a
mountains.
secret
Seriously, guys, because it's only
to be
through them.
quicker.
And I think this path
crocodilitos
leads us
Listen.
there. Yeah, look at that.
Los
Awesome. We can
Listen,
climb up, but we
Tabu.
can't go any
Los
further.
crocodilitos
Although,
dicen,
guys, maybe there's
Boom.
a chance. Yes.
Look,
yes,
I'm right
look,
here.
I'm doing something.
Right here.
Oh my gosh. But you know, it's
Look
not
where I'm gonna
exactly
get
easy to lift
teleported,
all
which
these
is really
tons.
good.
Look at that, guys. No,
Yes,
that was
yes.
close.
Go, go,
He
go,
has a
go, go,
stick.
go, go,
He's
go,
probably
go,
studying
go.
something Shaolin related. I hope he's okay with his
picture.
coordination.
Elefantino
Look at him
frigorifero.
go. He's
Go,
climbing
go,
without any
go, go,
problems.
go.
Oh, great, guys. Now we need to figure out how to get further. But how do we do that? The main thing is not to fall. Oh,
Yeah, he's
all right.
here.
Oh my gosh.
Elephant.
Here we are right now. Yes, we're just like King Kong.
Treno struzzo turbo 4000.
Hello? Hello, let me out. I like the way of the movement. The attack, it's a hippo. Let's use someone like... Let's use my weakest secret, but really fast. Wait. Oh, that's something for a moment. Oh hell nah. I'm about to lose to a son holding a AK-47. Bro, what kind of brain rot is this? What has brain rot become? Just Smurf cat. Guys, I think it's time to equip my best brain rot, I2 Perfectini, and just leave the game. What the? What? I thought you couldn't jump in the game, but looks like now we can.